Okay, so someone asked me the question, why are men falling out of the workforce or quitting the workforce? This article came out from CBS, and a couple of other articles have been written about men leaving the workforce. So this one is titled, Millions of Men Have Dropped Out of the Workforce, Leaving Companies Struggling to Fill Jobs. It's a Matter of Our National Identity. This is actually kind of crazy. A large number of American men of prime working age between 25 and 54 are not working or even looking for work, resulting in a major hole in the American economy. In 1953, 98% of men in that age range had a job or were looking for one. The number has fallen ever since. Today, 7.2 million men have essentially dropped out of the workforce. Jesus. It's a matter of national identity. Mike Rowe, the host of Dirty Jobs on Discovery, says, I think it's a giant issue. And by the time we realize how big of an issue it is, we're going to have a hard time turning down the temperature. So it's not an issue that's rooted in the unemployment rate, which is at 3.5, which is the lowest it's been in 50 years. So what's the issue? We have more jobs than we have people for, about 1.5 jobs for every one worker. Isn't this crazy? There's plenty of jobs out here, but these dudes don't want to work, basically. Timmons describes all this as a profound problem for the companies he represents. I never thought I'd be able to say this, but now it's kind of all hands on deck. We've got to fill all these jobs that are open. More than 770,000 manufacturing jobs are open right now, according to the last federal count from November. The number has surged in recent years as companies reinvest in American made products or try to. With manufacturing workers earning more than $30 an hour on average, Timmons says the problem is not the pay, but perception. It used to be dirty, dark, and dangerous. Today, it's sleek, even technology driven. Carla Trotman, CEO of ElectroSoft, a company outside of Philadelphia that makes circuit boards, said that she wishes she had 45 people instead of 30, but she can't find people to fill the roles, costing the company around $5 million in top line revenue as she has been forced to turn down potential contracts. She says she thinks it's fulfillment. I think it's culture. People really want to feel as though they are appreciated. So these dudes are feeling bad and they don't want to work. Okay, someone else says there might be a skills mismatch, and others might have a criminal record that makes them ineligible for jobs. But what are they doing with all their time? They are playing video games, watching TV, and not really helping people do work in the home. So, what are they doing? They are being energy and resource parasites.